Welcome to another tutorial. So talking about word list. In the earlier tutorial we learnt about a tool known as School, which was creating a word list based on some web page, right? Now what if we want to, let's say, guess a password of some Wi-Fi, or probably create a word list that has a lot of passwords according to our choice. So let's say we know some part of the password, like we know the starting letter or the ending letter or the last two letters of the password or something like that. So we will create a word list based on that so that we are easily able to crack passwords. And not only passwords, in general, any permutation and combination that exists, it will be created based on the input you give. So we will be using a tool known as Crunch. Okay. So as you can see, it will create a word list based on criteria you specify. The output from Crunch can be sent to the screen file or to another program. That is fine. This is the syntax that we have here. Crunch, give the minimum length of the word, give the maximum length, and some other options. Now what are these other options? Let's see. We type man crunch and hit enter. So here we can see a number of options that we can use. Okay. Now you can explore these, but for the time being, let's begin with the practical of generating the word list. So let's try to create a word list with Crunch, which has words with minimum length 3 and maximum length as 6. So according to the syntax, we give minimum length, then maximum length, and let's give A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So all the permutation and combination which is of minimum 3 letters and go up till 6 letters, it will be created from all these letters. Okay, and we want to save the output. So for saving the output, we have hyphen small o. We will give the path as, okay, we are already on desktop, so we will create crunchlist.txt, okay, and hit enter. So it says the list has been completed. Let's do ls, and we have the list over here. Let's cat this list. So these are all the possible combinations from A, B, C, D, E, F, G with minimum length as 3 and the maximum length as 6. Now we are not able to see the complete list. So what we'll do, we'll clear the screen and then less crunch list. So we can see the starting initial AA, AAB, and the list goes so on. So 3-letter words. Okay. I'll press Q to exit this. So this was a very basic example of crunch. So now I'll tell you something about this tool. So these are 4 special characters that you should know. @, then comes percentage sign, then comes comma, and then comes the caret sign, or the one that we give for power. So the meaning of @ is that it is used to specify lower characters. Okay, so I'll write over here lower characters. Now what do we mean by percentage? Percentage is used to specify numbers. It is used to specify numbers. What do we mean by comma? Comma in this tool is used to specify uppercase characters. We give uppercase, okay? And this caret sign, it is used to specify symbols. Now let's say if I tell you I need the permutation and combination of all 5-letter words, okay? That means words which have 5 letters in which the second letter is a B, okay? And third and fourth letter is a number. And what about the first letter? The first letter is a lowercase character. So we will give @ because @ means lower character, okay? Percentage sign means number. And for sure we know that second letter is a B. And we want to create the list from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 1, 2, 3. Okay. From this, we need to create all the permutation combinations that are possible. So let's see how will we do that. And also, like I said, it's a 4-letter word. So we will create a list accordingly. Let's open another tab. Go to desktop. Now we will use Crunch. Okay. Now let's give 4 space 4. So if I give minimum length and maximum length both are same, then what will happen, that it will generate a list of 4-letter words. So if I give minimum length as 4 and maximum length as 4, then it will automatically generate a list with words which are having length of 4. Now we have to generate words from this. Alright, and then we have to give this new option, that is -t. So it will basically specify that what pattern are we looking for. So like I said, we are looking for this particular pattern. First character is a lower character, second is a B, letter B, okay, and third and fourth are percentage sign, which mean number. So now we will give this as usual -o to save this file, and we will give crunchout.txt as the name and hit enter. So it will generate the list, and the list is generated. Now let's less on crunchout.txt and hit enter. So as you can see, second letter for every word is a B, third and fourth letter are numbers, and first letter is a lowercase character. So if I keep typing enter, let's see till where it goes. Now you see the letter has changed and it's still a lower character. So this is how a word list is generated, and you can customize it according to your need. So if you know that first half of your friend's password is MAG, then what you can do, you can create a list accordingly. And you know that minimum letter must be 5 and maximum must be 8 letters. So you can create the list accordingly. It will create all the possible combinations that you give. It is just that if you give a lot of letters and numbers to crunch in order to make a word list, then it will take a lot of time, because a really heavy and a bulky word list will be generated. Such kind of tools you won't require in examinations, but as a hacker, as a pen tester, you always need to at least know about these tools. Probably sometime they can be of use to you. It again depends upon kind of task you are doing and what kind of word list you want to generate. So thank you for watching this tutorial.